Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to speed up videos in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Welcome, my name is Amulya and let's get started. So this is my channel TubeMint. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe right away. So to speed up the video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, I assume that you already have imported the video and you've got your video on the timeline here. Now if you've got multiple clips, so these are clips basically, you will have to select each clip that you want to speed up. So to select multiple clips, you can simply have to click on the clip and then hold down the shift key on the Windows keyboard and then select the desired clip that you want to speed up. To deselect any clip, you simply have to press the shift key and click on that particular clip that you want to deselect. Now once you are happy with the clips that you want to speed up, right click on anywhere on selected clips and go to speed and duration. Now okay, so by default it's 100%. Let's say you want to speed up these clips by 10%, so you'll have to say 110. And if you want to maintain the audio pitch, you will have to check this box and hit OK. Now this has been sped up, but what happens when you check that box? This these clips needs to be adjusted again. So you'll have to select, drag it over to this edge of the clip. Now these clips have been sped up. If I go ahead and play them, so it will just render the required files. Okay, put everything together so that it can work in this new speed altogether. So the image, I mean the video and the audio both together. Okay, so this is how you do. So select that particular clip that you want to speed up and go to speed duration, and you have to you can increase by this, like this. So this is basically 110, and then you can uncheck it or check it, totally depends, and then hit OK. Alright, so now you can see this got separated. Now I will have to adjust it, and then you just press the space bar and it will start rendering to just sync everything. So this is how I speed up videos in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019, and this feature is available in every Adobe Premiere Pro CC releases. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thanks again and have a good day. Bye for now.